Welcome. Today we have Moto G35 and this phone has FRP Google lock. So I will show you how to remove this Google account from this phone. We will use unlock tool. So remove the back cover, and there we have test point. So connect it to the ground and connect the USB cable. Short it to the ground, connect USB cable to the PC. Now go to unlock tool. There we need to find the correct model. G35. This is it. Erase FRP. Again, connect the phone. Wait till the end. Erasing FRP done. So now let's test the phone. As you can see, phone is unlocked. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and until the next time.